It begins with precision-bred flocks, where every egg is tracked from the first moment. Each egg enters a controlled flow, screened before it even leaves the barn. Light reveals viability. Only the strongest move forward. A gentle cleanse protects the next generation before incubation. Uniformity isn't optional. It's engineered into every gram. Every movement is choreographed to protect delicate potential. Here, time and climate converge to awaken life. Rotation mimics nature, but with laboratory-grade consistency. One-tenth of a degree can change everything, so we measure relentlessly. From egg to environment, every variable mastered. New life moves forward, protected, counted, and calibrated for growth. Every degree matters, so transport is climate engineered from first step to final destination. Security isn't just digital, it's physical, procedural, and perpetual. Contamination has zero tolerance, so every entry is a controlled event. From transit to territory, the environment adapts to their needs. Comfort is engineered. Warmth, nutrition, and space calibrated for optimal start. Nutrition arrives on schedule, precise portions triggering natural growth patterns. Hydration is automatic, but verification is human, deliberate, and documented. Data drives decisions, but human oversight ensures every variable serves life. Scale requires system, but every chick receives individual grade care. Every boundary is a barrier, designed to protect what matters most. Uniformity enables efficiency, but welfare guides every mechanical decision. Technology sees what eyes cannot, but human judgment makes the final call. Prevention is precision, delivered with mechanical consistency and human oversight. Recovery is built into the process, because welfare isn't optional, it's engineered. Every procedure follows science, standards, and scrutiny, because ethics drive engineering. Behavior tells the story, and we listen with technology and training. Pecking normal, social score steady. Preparation precedes progress, every detail verified before life moves forward. Transition is managed because adaptation requires environment engineered for success. From intake to integration, every phase connects in a single, controlled ecosystem. Cleanliness isn't occasional. It's cyclical, calibrated, and continuously verified. Verification closes the loop because trust requires evidence, not assumption. Reset isn't restart, it's refinement, informed by every previous cycle. Transition is tuned because adaptation thrives on consistency, not chance. Growth begins with measurement because progress requires baseline, not belief. Nutrition delivery is engineered because consistency in input drives predictability in output. Hydration is habitual, but verification is human, deliberate, and documented. Environment is dynamic, adjusted not by guesswork, but by data and deliberation.
Welfare is witnessed because care requires observation, not assumption.
From cleaning to core processing, every phase connects in a single, controlled, continuous ecosystem. Growth is guided because development requires intervention informed by evidence. Nutrition evolves with growth because needs change and systems adapt. Group B intake spiked, feeder calibration issue. Adjusting ratio, verifying waste reduction serves both welfare and sustainability. Hydration is tracked because fluid balance drives growth, health, and welfare. Environment scales with growth because comfort requires adaptation, not static settings. Prevention is proactive because health is maintained, not just treated. Recovery is verified because intervention requires follow-through, not just action. Milestones mark progress because growth is measured, managed, and optimized. Progression is planned because growth requires foresight, not just reaction. From core processing to automation, every phase connects in a single, intelligent, continuously optimizing ecosystem. Dispatch is documented because traceability travels with every product. Cold chain continuity is verified because quality survives only in controlled transit. Security seals trust because accountability travels from our door to theirs. And this is how modern factories produce chicken from start to finish.